If you're looking to make the most of the community feature on LearnWorlds, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to navigate this tool and why it might not be the best fit for every type of user. So stick around, and I'll even introduce you to some alternatives that might suit your needs even better. To get started with LearnWorlds community feature, the first thing you'll need to do is set up your community space. This is essentially where your users can interact with each other, share ideas, and engage with content you create. It's quite easy to activate, but if you're expecting something more customizable or a seamless integration with your course content, it might feel a little too basic. Next, let's talk about what you can actually do in this community space. You have the ability to create discussion threads, post updates, and moderate content. However, this feature is pretty bare bones compared to what you might find with other community building platforms. It lacks some of the richer interaction options, such as live chats or deeper member management features that are often needed for larger or more interactive groups. The third thing to consider is how this community integrates with your learning content. While LearnWorlds allows for community integration within course modules, the setup isn't as smooth or as intuitive as you might expect, especially if you're coming from a platform designed around community engagement like Mighty Networks. You might find yourself doing some extra work to make it feel seamless. Then there's the issue of member engagement. If you're hoping for sophisticated features like gamification or rewards, you're not going to get much in LearnWorlds. It's functional, but that's about it. Your users can comment, reply, and post, but the interaction often feels static. This might be fine for small communities or those just starting out, but if you need something more dynamic, this feature may fall short. And here's something that might be a deal breaker. LearnWorlds doesn't offer a ton of flexibility in terms of how you can brand your community. Customization is limited, so if you're hoping to create a unique space that matches your course brand, be prepared for some restrictions. Now, let's switch gears a bit and talk about why you might want to look elsewhere. While LearnWorlds does have a solid community feature, if you're really looking for engagement, customization, and ease of use, there are better alternatives out there. Platforms like Circle or Mighty Network specialize in creating vibrant, customizable communities with deep interaction features. If building a community is a top priority for you, I'd highly recommend checking these out. As promised, the video mentioned an exclusive deal. Through our link, you'll get access to LearnWorld's extended free trial, but I also highly recommend looking into the alternatives I just mentioned. With these options, you get features specifically designed for community building, making them a better fit for users focused on that goal. And don't worry, these alternatives also come with free trials, so you can test them out risk-free before committing. That's all for today's tutorial. Be sure to check out the links below to get your exclusive offers.